Hello, it's day 8 of paper airplane making, and I will be making the swashbuckler pony today. Yeah. So this has a really complicated fold in it, so make sure you pay attention. But yeah, let's fold this. Okay. So first, fold this part this way so that. I always do this part a bit tricky. I always think this part's tricky. So that the corners, it just forms a big triangle and then a rectangle at the end. So, like that. So it ends up like that. And then unfold it again. And then take this corner and then fold it down to the end of this edge crease. And we're actually already getting to the tricky part, so pay attention. Yeah. And then open it up and then fold it down on the center little button. And then crease that as good as you can. Okay, then this is the super tricky part. So turn the paper over, press down the middle so that the sides pop up, and then fold them inward like this.
Do you remember what that's called?
Yeah. And then press this part down. And there. And I'll stop holding for a second just so you can get that done. Okay. So. And then. I mean, mine's not really perfect, but still fine. And then fold this part up so there's still a piece of a triangle there. Do that on both sides. Mine is really not perfect. Oh my god. And there. So it ends up like that. Those little flaps. And then flip it over so it's flat, normal, nice and thin. Then fold it over this way, and I like doing it this way first because I'm left-handed. Most of you guys might be a righty, but okay. And then open it back up. Then fold the top down so that the top is touching the bottom of that triangle. And then flip it over and end up like that. Okay. Then fold it like that. And then fold it just below an inch that way to make a wing. Does this thing have wings? Wingtips? I'm not actually using that book as instructions. I'm just looking at the pictures to see if the plants have wingtips. Darn it, this thing is really hard. Whew. And then, there. Oh yeah, it does have wingtips. Okay, then fold up a tip of the wing. And there you go. That is your very own Swashbuckler plane. Let's do a test flight. What the heck? Show me that.
Try again.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's flight. Ah, shoot, get on my couch. Wait, is it? Where is it?
Should we stop the video there?
No, I got it. And yeah. So, folks, that is how you make your very own swashbuckler paper airplane.
You're gonna say
What?
thanks for watching or anything?
I did collect all these books, including this one, the Swashbuckler Paper Airplanes, this one, planes, and this one paper spaceships, which you can see, it sort of looks familiar. Or I mean the same as this one, a bit. And I have no idea where I got this one, but my friend got this one in Smithers, BC, so if you live there, yeah. But if you live in Edmonton, which is where I live, then just go to the chapters near the pet store, and you will find these. And so, yeah, that is the video. So, thanks for watching, and also make sure you punch that like button, slap the subscribe, and I will see you next time. Later.